BOSCH Professional Blower operates on an 18-volt battery, offering a compact design with a powerful airflow of 167 miles per hour, or 71 cubic feet per minute. It produces a maximum noise level of 71 decibels, ensuring efficient yet relatively quiet operation. The blower is compatible with various attachments, including an optional hose for enhanced convenience, and features a 2-speed switch for precise airflow control. Designed for comfort, it has an ergonomic shape with a rubberized anti-slip handle. On a full charge, it delivers extended runtime, with the manufacturer stating it can run for 8 minutes per amp hour at maximum power. Makita XNB02Z 18 VLXT Straight Finish Nailer is a game-changer for precision nailing, offering cordless convenience without sacrificing power. It drives 16-gauge nails up to 2.5 inches, making it perfect for trim work baseboards and cabinetry. The brushless motor ensures efficiency and extended battery life, while the depth adjustment allows for clean flush finishes. With a jam-clearing mechanism and a quick trigger response, it's reliable for both professionals and DIYers. Plus, its lightweight design and ergonomic grip make extended use comfortable and hassle-free. Mirka Cordless Sander is designed for precise spot sanding, offering a compact, ergonomic, and energy-efficient solution. Powered by a 10.8-volt lithium-ion battery, it delivers a maximum rotational speed of 8,000 RPM, making it ideal for mobile applications. The battery provides up to 16 hours of continuous use in industrial settings and fully recharges in just 45 minutes. This sander is well suited for professional tasks, but is also a great tool for DIY enthusiasts working on repairs and crafting projects. Makita 7104L Chain Mortiser is a powerhouse for precision timber framing, making deep, clean cuts effortlessly. Its 10.5 amp motor delivers exceptional performance, cutting through hardwood with ease. The adjustable cutting depth ensures versatility, while the razor-sharp chain system produces smooth, accurate mortises. With a solid clamping mechanism, it stays securely in place for stable operation. Built for durability and efficiency, this tool is a must-have for professionals working on heavy-duty wood projects. Makinex HOSE2GO water pump is designed for use in areas without electricity, operating solely on water pressure from a hose. It ensures a continuous water supply for dust suppression during cutting, drilling, and grinding concrete on construction sites. Additionally, it is a practical tool for camping and gardening without the hassle of carrying extra hoses. Weighing under 20 kilograms when full, it is highly portable and features a handle with 2 carrying positions for ease of transport. With a 14-liter capacity, the pump delivers a steady water flow for up to 30 minutes. Makita KP312 1/4-inch planer is a powerhouse designed for precision and efficiency in large-scale wood planing. Its 15-amp motor delivers smooth, consistent performance, making it ideal for professional carpenters and woodworkers. The wide 12 1/4-inch cutting capacity allows for fast material removal, while the front roller and large ejection chute ensure smooth operation. Built with rugged construction, it's designed to handle tough jobs while maintaining accuracy, a must-have for those who demand reliability and high performance in a heavy-duty planer. The Makinex sandblasting gun, designed for use with air compressors, is an excellent tool for surface cleaning. It effectively removes old paint rust and debris from metal, wood, and even glass. With adjustable nozzles and settings, it ensures precise and gentle cleaning for delicate surfaces. A built-in regulator allows users to control the sand jet range for optimal performance. This model supports various blasting media features, a durable, adjustable nozzle, and includes a conveniently placed sand container for easy operation. Makita DLM463Z cordless lawnmower delivers powerful, eco-friendly mowing with its dual 18V battery system, offering freedom from gas and cords. Its robust 46-centimeter cutting width efficiently handles medium to large lawns, while the quiet, brushless motor ensures long-lasting performance. The adjustable cutting height and durable steel deck provide versatility and durability for various lawn conditions. With zero emissions and low maintenance, it's perfect for homeowners seeking a hassle-free mowing experience. Just add compatible Makita batteries, and you're ready for effortless lawn care. Wicked Edge Go Precision Knife Sharpener is a versatile tool designed for sharpening various types of knives, including pocket, kitchen, and hunting knives. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to use both at home and on the go. The sharpener offers an adjustable angle range from 13 degrees to 31 degrees per side and accommodates knives up to 1/4 inch thick and 15 inches long. It can be secured to any hard, flat surface using a clamp or mounting holes for stability. The set includes diamond stones in 260,000 and 800,000 grit, along with 5 and 3.5 micron leather strops, a C-clamp, and a training knife. Makita Twin 40V Max 80V X GT Power Cutter delivers unmatched cutting performance with its brushless motor and 355mm blade. Designed for heavy-duty applications, it provides powerful cord-free operation, making it ideal for construction and masonry work. Its water supply system helps control dust, while the ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use. The electric start eliminates the hassle of gas-powered alternatives, offering cleaner and quieter operation. Just pair it with Makita X GT batteries for a reliable high-performance cutting solution. Professional Pipe Cleaner is a compact and efficient tool designed for fast and thorough drain cleaning. Its lightweight and portable build makes it ideal for clearing pipes ranging from 1 1/4 to 2 inches in kitchen sinks, bathroom sinks, and shower drains. The chain hammer extends fully to ensure a complete clean. Equipped with a 30-inch cable, the machine operates by connecting any standard cordless drill with a speed of 1,800 to 2,500 RPM to the input shaft. Its sturdy design allows for vertical storage and provides flexibility in drill positioning during use. Makita HM1810 70-pound AVT breaker hammer is a powerhouse designed for heavy-duty demolition work, delivering extreme impact force while minimizing vibration with its anti-vibration technology AVT. Built to handle the toughest jobs, it accepts 1 1/8 inch hex bits and is ideal for breaking concrete, asphalt, and other hard materials. Its efficient motor ensures long-lasting performance, while the soft start feature provides better control. With a durable construction and ergonomic design, this breaker hammer is a must-have for professionals who need power, precision, and reliability on the job site. Hard-end Red Rooter is a high-performance power tool designed for cutting, polishing, and shaping hard materials such as stone, concrete, and granite. Primarily used by professionals in stonework, it is ideal for crafting kitchen countertops, slabs, and other natural stone products. This router features adjustable speeds of up to 80,500 RPM, operates at 2,000 watts, and runs on a 110-volt power supply. Engineered with advanced technology, it glides effortlessly over a thin water layer, creating a nearly frictionless work surface to reduce user fatigue. The HydroFlat system efficiently directs water away from the center, clearing debris and preventing surface damage with all necessary hoses and adapters included. Jikari Universal Tray is a practical organizer designed to enhance convenience when working on a ladder. This versatile accessory securely holds various tools and small items, ensuring that everything you need is within reach while working at height. The tray consists of 3 compact compartments, allowing for efficient organization of different tools and materials. It also features dedicated slots for screwdrivers, keeping them securely in place. Designed for easy installation, the tray can be mounted onto any ladder rung opening and firmly secured. Its adjustable design enables quick height adjustments, whether raising or lowering, without obstructing movement on the ladder. Additionally, it offers multi-directional adjustments for maximum flexibility. Made from durable plastic, this sturdy and lightweight tool ensures long-lasting reliability for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike.